our friends in Taiwan. Yeah, they want to know like what's the reason like you have the idea to design this LumiSpa.
Okay. Well, when we first started off this particular live interview, we thought that the skin requires some unique cellular motion, we call it. In other words, we have to massage the skin in a special way to stimulate those genes in the skin tissue. And we did many studies. Our scientists did a lot of studies to show that not any movement or any mechanical motion can stimulate those genes. So we only discovered this micropulse counter oscillation motion. This is the only type of movement that can actually stimulate the skin genes. Right. So for all intents and purposes, we thought this is the first scientific discovery that we can actually use to make a product like this, and we will be the first company that can actually show, you know, that this device, the results in a clinical study, in a scientific study, we can actually show to stimulate the skin to stay young.
Yeah. A question from Greater China, China market is. Can the sensitive skin use this device?
Absolutely. And that's why we make, remember I mentioned to you, we are going to give you 4 different types of this gel. And we have a gel specially formulated for sensitive skin. Even with people that have, who have a propensity or a chance of getting pimples, they can actually use the most sensitive gel formulation to help in the pimples, to control them.
Yeah, because it helps you cleanse, like deep cleanse your skin, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So can you talk more about this design for the great design of LumiSpa?
Yes. So this design, this is really a combination of our engineers in the company and our skin scientists working together and collaborating very closely to come up with this particular system for renewing your skin while cleaning your skin at the same time. Perhaps this is the first technology that can actually do those two actions simultaneously.
And how does that, like, you know, shrinking your pore, like how would this technology help you have smoother skin?
Yes. So you can imagine, right, most of us, we don't like to have big pores on our skin. So one of the things that make the pores big is because those pores become dirty. Yeah. So this deep cleansing, this counter oscillating technology can go very deep into the pores. As shown in this video, what happens is that when it goes deep into the pores, it literally lifts all the dirt out of the pores. And once that is done, the pore becomes smaller.
I noticed that because I used that for a few weeks, right? And I feel like even when I put on makeup, it's so much easier.
Yes, and your makeup looks much better. Because
and
your skin
looks
is
brighter.
Smoother.
So that's awesome. And I know that you don't even need to remove your makeup, right? You can just wash your hands very clean.
Yes, very easy. In fact, you can use this to remove your makeup.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Right? And you can wash off, because it's so easy to clean your makeup. Once you take it off your face and you put it under the tap, under running water, the makeup just washes off the surface very easily.
That's awesome. Yeah, I noticed that because even when I wash my face with my hand and I use LumiSpa, I can still see like dirt, like, you know, dirty things in the thing. Yeah, so we might have a few more questions from our friends. So let me read out the question from Southeast Asia. Danny Chen, Hong Ki, how will LumiSpa complement the galvanic spa? That's a great question. What do we?
Well, I'm glad you brought it up. It's a great question because we know we have done a study using both the galvanic spa and this LumiSpa together in a scientific study, and we can show the effects or the benefits you get from the galvanic spa are actually much better after using together with the LumiSpa. And the LumiSpa, also the effects or the benefits you get from the LumiSpa become even better after the galvanic spa treatment.
Wow.
So they work. It's almost like a twin. Yeah, these are twin products.
Yeah.
We designed this LumiSpa product to be work perfectly with the galvanic spa.
Oh, nice. So do you use LumiSpa to clean your face first?
Yes.
And this is the daily routine,
every
right?
day you can use this.
And then galvanic spa, then you use after LumiSpa, but twice a week.
Twice a week, and sometimes some of you may like to use 3 times a week. It's okay, but always start with the LumiSpa to clean your face.
Yeah.
That's why the galvanic spa works better on clean skin.
That's true.
One more thought on that one. Remember, the LumiSpa, you can actually use it while taking a bath or a shower because it's waterproof.
Yes.
Yeah? So you can use that. You don't have to sort of use a lot of time after the shower or bath and then use the 2 devices.
That's true.
You can literally use this during your showering or your bathing.
Now, okay, one more question from Hong Kong, Fion. So for first time use, do you suggest to use normal, like this combo gel, cleansing gel, or do you suggest to use like a gentle one?
Yeah, I would start with the normal one because this will most likely be compatible with most people in general. But if you find after using the normal gel that it's not as comfortable for your skin, then you switch to other types of your other formulations that we have, either the sensitive type skin formulation, or you prefer maybe a more potent one we have, we can use the other one too. So start with the normal one.